Friends, welcome back JavaCoding. In this video we will talk about the Java Lambda expression example with the multiple parameters. So now we will create the Lambda expression to provide the multiple parameter int a, int b. This is the Lambda expression to link the argument list and the body expression, return a plus b, and this is the curly braces, and we are returning the addition. Now we need to create the interface operation inside int add with two parameter, int x, int y, and this is the interface we need to use it here, right? So we are providing the multiple argument, and these argument we are using in the body, and this Lambda expression, what it will be written, integer. So here is the add method we have written, type is a integer type. In the operational interface, it's a functional interface. So let's print all the addition dot add method, pass the 10 and 20. Let's run this. Now here's the result. So this is the example of the Lambda expression to provide with the multiple parameter. So here this is the two argument, and we can pass the n number of arguments, and we can perform the operation on that, and it is returning which type this expression is returning is integer. So we are taken the integer. If we are returning the long, we are long, double, we can double. Accordingly we need to take the return type in the function interface. That's it from this video. In the next video we will talk about the Java Lambda expression with or without return type keyword. Thanks for watching.